Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. The markets opened slightly higher, so though SGX Nifty was indicating slightly lower opening. The Bank Nifty came under good selling pressure in the morning. I don't know why the banks fell. I think most of the banks were down. Most of the private sector banks were down. PSU banks were higher. And probably Axis Bank results might have played the role. As I told you in the morning, Axis Bank results were actually good. And they have shown net loss just because they paid huge sum of money to buy the Citibank group company. So anyway, markets, they react differently. And in the pre-market, I told you very clearly that FIIs are buying in huge quantities. They bought for more than 1,500 crore yesterday. Global cues are good. So in this kind of scenario, and any intraday dip, 80 to 100 point, it is a buy and dip market and sell put option. So exactly today, Nifty fell roughly about 100 point from intraday high. And then what happened is the amazing history. From the low, it shot up more than 150 points. And Bank Nifty has shot up more than 400 points. That was a fantastic rally. And what was even more surprising, usually from Monday to Thursday, if the markets are higher, and Friday, the last 1 hour, there will be some kind of selling because the people don't want to carry positions over the weekend. But now the sentiment is so strong, and the last half an hour, both Nifty and Bank Nifty moved significantly higher despite European markets trading lower and US futures were lower. So that was something very, very good, and this means the markets are really very, very bullish. In the morning also I told you, last year October month Nifty shot up 900 point. In November also the rally continued with another 800 point higher. So same way, April series Nifty was up about 900 point, but who knows, May series maybe another 800 point just like last year. And this is purely for a joke, and I do not belong to any political party, and this is just for a joke. And one of my friends asked me, sir, there are so many opinion polls. They say that BJP is likely to lose the Karnataka state election, and why the market is going so much higher. So I just replied just for fun. So probably that is the reason why markets are going higher. So I do not know what is going to be the effect of, first of all, I don't believe in any pre-poll opinion polls. There are a number of times opinion polls have gone badly, very, very badly wrong. If you can remember, in UK, just few hours before the final verdict, the counting, even the person who spearheaded the campaign for Brexit, he himself admitted that, Brexit is not going to happen. And even the opinion polls and exit polls were banned. People have conducted, but they were not supposed to declare the results. So some top hedge funds, out of their own positioning, so they have done it. So that exit poll showed that, Brexit is not going to happen. And what happened? In few hours, the results came, Brexit has actually happened. So a number of times opinion polls, exit polls have gone wrong. So to me, election results are always an uncertainty, right? So there is only one certainty, that is uncertainty. So we don't know what is going to be the results in Karnataka state election, and also we do not know what is going to be the effect in stock market. But right now everything looks very bullish, and it is so bullish that India VIX has broken 11. And it closed below 11, and this, remember, this is multi-year closing low. And one bad thing is that when VIX is very, very low, the option premium also tend to be very, very low. Look at the ATM prices of Bank Nifty, 250, 300 points, but Bank Nifty moves 300 to 400 points almost on a day-to-day basis. And Kotak Bank came under good buying pressure ahead of its results tomorrow, and maybe because of this MSCI rejig also. At the end of the day, FIIs have bought for more than 3,300 crores. That's a very, very huge sum of money. On top of which, domestic institutions also did not book the profits. They have also bought for about 265 crores. So everything is looking very bullish, and let us see what happens in the next few weeks. And looking at the open interest, people are closing their eyes and selling the put options. And Nifty, for most part of the day, until the last 30-45 minutes, Nifty was trading below 18,000, but 18,000 put option has the highest open interest. So that shows the bullishness, or probably some FIIs who are buying in the cash market and they are selling the put option, they are buying the call option, and then they are buying in cash market. So once again, this is just for fun, but it can happen. So given the fact that there are too many data points, very, very important one, the Fed meeting next week, but despite that, VIX is falling below 11 and people are selling at the money put options. That's really very, very surprising. So anyway, the May series started very well. We will see whether it is going to end very well or not. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.